Namaste, children. Welcome back to the class. I hope you have been subscribed to the Sadan Guide Centre. So let us move to the next video of the chapter 4 quadrilateral. Class 8, figure out page number 108. Now, construct a square with diagonal 6 centimeter without using a protractor. So, without using a protractor, we'll construct a square. So, first, we'll take it a 6 centimeter. I'll write here 6 centimeter here first. Right. Then now with 6 centimeter, take it with the help of the compass. Help of a compass. Take more than half. Okay, more than half radii and cut an arc. Cut an arc from both the sides. So that is cut an arc from both the sides. Right. Next. And now right. Now join that midpoint which is perpendicular bisector, right? So here we'll write it at here A and B, and now with the help of the ruler mark your point 3 centimeter. Mark a 3 centimeter point here. I'll mark it, and one more here, 3 plus 3, that is 6 centimeter. So mark this right. Okay, this is the following square without using the protractor. So name them C and D. Here you can mention your O, and this is the 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then 3 centimeter, then 3 centimeter, right? So this is about the 6 centimeter where we have drawn the diagonal without using a protractor.